everything dash going as planned. Everything dash going as planned. What's your answer? I choose is, so everything is going as planned. Number 2, nothing dash impossible these days. Nothing dash impossible these days. What's your answer? I'm choosing is. Nothing is impossible these days. Now when you say nothing are impossible these days, how does it sound to your hearing? So I think and it is, so nothing is impossible these days. Number 3, anything dash possible if you believe. Anything dash possible if you believe. Anything is possible if you believe. Anything are possible if you believe. It doesn't sound right, so the answer is. Number 4, any press dash good press. Any press dash good press. Any press is or are. Any press are good press, right? So number 5, we have both are guilty. So are is the answer to number 5. Then number 6, there dash nothing to gain. There dash nothing to gain. There is nothing to gain. Number 7, dash anybody in the house. Dash anybody in the house. Is anybody in the house? Number 8, something dash better than nothing. Something dash better than nothing. Is it are? Is it is? I go for is. Something is better than nothing. Number 9, there dash nothing left in there. There dash nothing left in there. There is nothing left in there. Number 10, all dash equal. All dash equal. All are equal. So these are my answers. Let's see how right we are with our answers. So basically, we're going to be talking about pronouns today. We have different types of pronouns. So we have them as possessive pronoun, personal pronouns, relative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, intensive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns. Okay, but today we're going to be focusing on indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that are not specific about what they are referring to. They are not specific to what they are discussing. We have them like everything, something, anybody, anyone, everyone, someone, nobody, and all the like. So we're going to be discussing that today. We have the singular form of it and the plural form of it. So how well do you know when to use the plural verb and the singular verb for these indefinite pronouns? So let's look at them one after the other. See how they are being used, how they obey the rules of subject-verb agreement in English language, how you can actually use or when you can actually use the singular verb or the plural verb. So let's see. Okay, so I have them like this. I have the singular form, the plural form, then both singular and plural form. Under the singular we have nothing, something, anything, someone, no one, anyone, each, another, enough, either, everyone, less, everything, little, much, neither, everybody, anybody, nobody, somebody, one. All fall under the singular, okay? Use is for every one of these when making sentence, okay? So if you have to use a verb, the verb has to be a singular verb. One very important rule in English language that you must always observe for correct speaking is subject-verb agreement. So for the ones we have listed here to be the singular form, the singular pronoun here. So let's see the plural. For the plural we have both, few, many, others, several. For the both, here you can use is or are. That is, you can use plural form or you can use singular form of a verb depending on the contents of the sentence. All right, so we have them as all, any, more, most, none, some, such. Now let's try making some sentences to see if actually these are right. For instance, I can say anyone can play the game. So these are the list of the indefinite pronouns we have in English language. With the way I have listed it and I've explained it, you should understand and know when to use the singular verb and the plural verb, right? I think you should try constructing other sentences using any of these, making use of a plural verb or a singular verb to know if actually you got what this lesson is all about. And if you're here to join the family, why not do that by subscribing? Thank you for watching and don't forget to stay safe. Bye for now.